Good morning, Sir Jester. My name is Alan Magallanes, and I'm here to show you how to compute the shortest seek time first scheduling algorithm. Let's start. So, ito po yung given na aking napili. 105, 65, 98, 29, 111, 88, 17, 57, and 5. And ang napili ko namang head start is 7. So, yung since ang shortest seeking time yung nanap natin, so, hahanapin natin yung track na mas malapit sa 70 with, uh, so, ang pinakamalapit sa kanya is 65. So, 65 yung susunod sa 70. 65. 65 na yung point natin. So, hanapin naman natin ngayon yung malapit sa kanya. Ang sumunod naman na malapit sa kanya is 57. So, 57 na tayo natapos. So, ang hahanapin naman natin is yung malapit kay 57. Since mas malayo si 29 kaysa kay 88. So, si 88 ang pipiliin natin na susunod kay 57. Next naman is ang malapit naman kay 88 is si 98. Ang sumunod naman na malapit kay 98 is si 105. 105. Ang sumunod naman kay 105 is si 111. Since wala nang mas malapit na mas mataas sa kanya is hahanap naman tayo na mas malapit na mababa kay 111. And ito ay si 29. Ang sumunod naman na malapit kay 29 ay si 17. And lastly, ang sumunod naman is si 5. So, pagko-connect na natin yan. Ganito magiging itsura ng graph niya. Okay. Yan po itsura ng graph niya, sir. So, hahanapin naman natin yung total tracks niya. Bago yan, isa-isahin muna natin. So, from track 70 to track 65. From track 65 to 50, to track 57. From track 57 to track 88. From track 88 to track 98. From track 98 to track 105 from track 105 to track 111, from track 111 to track 29, from track 29 to track 17, from track 17 to track 5. So, pagmaminosin natin yung 70 and 65 equals 5 tracks. Next naman is 65 and 57 equals 8 tracks. Next naman is 88 minus 57, 31. 31 tracks. Next is 98 minus 88, 10 tracks. 105 and 98, 7 tracks. 111 minus 105 equals 6 tracks. 111 minus 29 equals 82 tracks. 29 minus 17 equals 12 tracks. 17 minus 5 equals 12 ulit na tracks. So, yung lahat ng nakuha nating difference sa lahat ng tracks na minus natin is ito total natin. 5 plus 8 plus 31 plus 10 plus 7 plus 6 plus 82 plus 12 plus 12 equals 100.